live, BP Guru. Today's episode, or this production, is going to be all about the game jam. It's finishing everything off. And to start with, we said we were going to play through each other's games and kind of give a little brief overview of our thoughts and feelings of them. And so I'm going to be playing Laboratory Mutiny. And we'll start from the very beginning, so let's do it. I'm going to enable speedrun mode as well to see how fast I can get through these levels. So the first one being this one. If we pick this up, put it in there, and that opens up the door. Level 1 complete. So I think this also fixed the bug with the picking up creatures, and if you pick them up mid-drop, it kind of crashed the sheep's animations and you couldn't pick them back up. So did I enable speedrun mode? I did. 17 seconds. Okay, not too bad. Let's pick up the sheep. Put the sheep in there. We also need to pick up the blue sheep. Pick this up, put this in here, there. Oh, if I can get in. I'm not sure if that's a grand total of all 3 levels, though. I should probably ask Meester about that one. So we now need to make green, and the cloning comes in probably the next level, maybe. We need to grind up this sheep. It sounds horrendous when I say it like that. And up we go. Oh, what a parkour that was. Okay, in there, and we can... No, can't jump down there. Fine. And then into the next level. Lovely. Wow, we're flying through them. I think that was level 4, right? Okay, we've got 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep. I need to actually... oh, yeah, I need to... I can't remember which one I'm supposed to blend up, but we're going to go with it. It's fine, right? I think it's the blue one. I might be wrong. I could have messed this up already. I think actually it's the red one. I just thought about it. I think it's the red one. Okay, fine. We'll try it. If not, we'll restart and then blend up 1 more sheep. I've done this very slow as well. For a speed run, this was terribly slow, right? Oh, it was right. Okay, cool. Fine. Let's go. As I say, I'm not going to play every level because, again, I don't want to spoil it for anyone. I believe I need to dupe that sheep. I think I actually need to dupe both of them, but get out of here, red sheep. I don't need you right now. 2 red, 1... Oh, okay, I did do it right. Okay, fine. Let's just lob those over there. Hopefully they land where they should do. Lob them. Just keep lobbing them. That's all I need to do. Right, I need the blue one up there, and the red one landed back there. That was pointless, wasn't it? Ah! I can actually get this up here. There you go. Right, there goes that one. Red one. That needs to go in the dupe machine. And that one. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. It's not going particularly well, is it? Nice. Ah, I knocked it off. Oh, don't tell me I knocked it off. Oh, I did. Oh, no. Okay, this is going to... Oh, no. Oh, this is going to be like a 3-minute one, I think.
Please clean up after Thank you.
And that should open the door. Yay! Okay, we're through. I wasted a lot of time on that. I'm expecting like a 2-minute timer on that one. Level 6, wasn't it? 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Jesus, that's ridiculous. This is level 12. This was my idea of hell. Yep, look at it already. Oh my days. I think if I was going to add anything into this game, I know Mr. Meerkat's changed a lot of stuff already. I think I would have added a death count in, because it would be super interesting to see how many times you died doing a level. No, see, like that. Oh my god. I am terrible at platformers. I'm so bad at platformers. Ugh. Oh my god, I actually don't think I'm going to do this. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? Yeah, I think a death count would be good per level as well, so maybe have a best time and how many times you died, because level 12 you're going to die a lot, and level 13 probably as well, because I'll show you this one as well while I'm here, because you know we're only running at 8 minutes, so that's fine. So you have this horrible pipe jump to make, while also cloning a lot of sheep. So yeah, a lot of fun. I think he has changed it, so I'm going to see how much he's changed about this so far by attempting to get that water bottle up in a second. I didn't mean to throw the sheep. Oops. There we go. And we can take that one. That one's going to go in that red container there, I believe. Oh. I might be wrong. Oh no, you need to dilute it a little bit, so we need to go back. So this part is the easier part. You gotta just go down here, and then this is the pit that I struggled with last time. Let's see if I can do it any better this time. Apparently he's lowered the pipe down. Oh, it does look like he's lowered it a bit actually. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, much easier, much easier. That was way worse last time I played it, as I'm sure some of you will know. I don't remember how much that is. I think it's 0.8. I could be wrong. Let's see. Let's try it out. 0.8, great. And then let's chuck you in. Let's see if that door's opened. Oh, it has. Okay. Let's see if I can complete this level finally. That would be really nice. And there is a blue sheep in here. Okay, blue sheep, and I can mix that twice for some reason. Not sure why that is, but oh, I fell down there. That would have been bad. I need to find the door basically and see what the hell the combination is, because for some reason I might need to dupe the red sheep again. I don't know. Oh! I wasn't thinking about what I was doing. That could have been bad. Right, I'm gonna I've got to get him over there. Right, let's leave him up here for a second. I don't know if I need to dupe him or not, but we'll have a look. And we need a 1.9 and 1.9. What? How on earth? I can dupe way there. That's right. I can dupe twice. Yes, there we go. Aha! Lots. Oh, I've got to get all those sheep up there. Oh. Okay. I died. Why did I make that? Okay, but you can see I couldn't make that jump. He's right. I couldn't make that jump. So, oh god, that's a lot of sheep to get up there. So, what I had to do next was basically duplicate the blue and the red sheep down there, take them all over to the grinder. So I had 2 of each. Bring all of those over to here. Oh no, bring one of those over here, one of each over here, the red and the blue. Put them in there once. Travel them back over there once each. Put them all in the combiner, and then stick them all in there. Yeah. I assume that fits 2, so I'd have had to combine the reds and combine the blues and bring them over here to fill that up, and then we could have gone down. I was about halfway through this level, I would have thought. But yeah, you can see that it gets a lot more challenging. Yeah, you basically have to watch every single jump, and yeah. So hopefully you'll play this and you'll enjoy it. I've seen some of the updates he's got coming out after this for his main release, and it's just a lot better. It's really good. And yeah, check it out, and hopefully you enjoy it. And we'll move on now to talk to Mr. Meerkat now. Cool. So it's been a week.
It has indeed. Longer than a week, in fact, because we are a bit late in recording.
That's true. That is true. Oh, yeah, good point. Didn't think of that. So people have played the game. We've also played the games now fully. We have obviously recorded some footage as well, which I've previously showed in the video. What's your thoughts now? A week later on, like we're now a week on. What's your thoughts now?
Well, I've completely remade the game.
Okay.
I've added. I mean, it looks completely different. I'm going to put some before and after screenshots up on the video now for those watching.
Okay.
But it's it's a good. I've added lots more levels. I've actually got an ending.
Okay.
One thing I did notice is when playing through it whilst it was up and live, you couldn't actually finish my game, which is obviously a big black mark over it. So yeah, I think that's definitely a point on you.
The thing is that I'll be perfectly honest. I never even managed to get to that point to know that fact. Because as you know, because I saw you put it in the updated version, that I couldn't make the jump, so I couldn't figure out why I couldn't make the jump. I don't know what was wrong with me, but so I never actually realised you couldn't finish it. Just because I'm so bad at platformers. But yeah, like the thing is, you forgetting that you couldn't finish it. I genuinely think your game was it felt more polished. The puzzles were a lot better. So taking away the fact that you couldn't finish it, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a black mark because it was such a fun game. Yeah, but there we go.
But yeah, I've got the full playthrough of your one as well on my video.
Sure.
I liked it. I did like it. The voice acting's funny. I know you had you enjoyed doing it.
I did indeed. I did.
You can tell.
Yeah, and like yours, obviously, during the week we were waiting for sort of like these results to come through. I have sat down and completely sort of polished up a lot of the levels and added a lot more detail and fixed a lot of the bugs and stuff. And it is like yours, completely different game now. Like it's got a character. There's a lot more sounds involved, ambient sounds and things like that. So it is a totally different experience. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with mine. Whether I should just update it on itch.io or whether I should release it or not. But we'll see as the weeks kind of go on and what else I add to it. But yeah,
I mean, I am looking into releasing it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it's going to be good. I mean, the problem is it's a puzzle game. Once you've played it once, you've kind of done it.
Yeah, and you're going to know how to speed through those levels a bit faster, and yeah. But then you've added this. Sorry, Karen.
I was going to say I've got a speedrun mode, but it's going to be down to I'd like to add leaderboards, but that's another costly addition.
Yeah, that's it. That's the thing, isn't it? Like nothing's free when you're adding games, you're publishing them and stuff. That's the problem.
We'll see how it goes. If I feel it's worth releasing, then I shall release.
Yeah.
If not, I shall just update it, same as you.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Should we have a look at the results?
We should indeed.
Okay.
Let me just bring it up. Final
Whose
question.
game is better? Yeah, you knew it.
Ooh.
You knew it. I'll take 2 though. From what I produced in 24 hours, I'll take 2. I'm alright with that. I knew yours was better. It was instantly the minute I played it. I knew yours was better. So.
Well, I'll take that. Obviously, I'll take the win. This is where I gloat now, but I don't know. I don't really think I can. We got people soft locked and long-winded game.
Oh god!
But no, that's good.
It was. I think after everything, it was an interesting experience to do this. So I'm just quite happy to have taken part in the game jam in itself. But it'd be interesting to do one with more people down the line. And yeah. So how does it feel to be a winner?
I don't know how to feel, to be honest.
Oh god, great fun.
I do feel like everyone watching this should subscribe to BurrowGames channel, though.
Well, I mean, I'd say to subscribe to me, but I clearly don't deserve it so long.
It's been great fun, guys.
It's been really good fun. If we're gonna do another one, when should we do it?
Well, this one was a sub goal for me for 100 subs.
Yeah. Should we do another sub goal for you?
Well, either one of us, I guess. Let's do, because I want to hit 500.
Yeah.
As my next big sub goal.
Sure.
And if we did 500, then I say we open it up to everyone.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. 500. So what are you on now? Just out of interest, 100 and
let's say 190.
About 190. Okay. So we've got another 310 roughly to go before the next one. Okay. I'm looking forward to it already. I'm gonna start coming up with ideas. Amazing.
Right.
Cool.
Well then, Kiru, I shall bid you adieu.
Congratulations, and I'll see you next time.
Yes, thank you.
Take care.
See you later.
Bye.